Dealing with toxic people in the workplace can be challenging, but using the principles of Wu Wei can provide a harmonious approach to managing these interactions. In this video, I will share a 7-point strategy for dealing with toxic behaviors in the workplace. Welcome to the Agile Leader with me, Pia Fitzgerald, where I provide tools for increasing your confidence, building connection, and collaboration. Imagine a workplace where effort and harmony coexist seamlessly, where you can navigate challenges with calm and grace, and toxic behaviors essentially lose their grip on your well-being. This vision can become a reality by embracing the ancient Taoist principle of Wu Wei, which simply means effortless action or non-doing. Wu Wei, or effortless action, teaches us to flow with the natural course of events rather than forcefully reacting negatively to it. It's like choosing to rest instead of self-efforting to make someone change, which you know you can't do in the first place. In the workplace, this means approaching toxic behaviors with a composed, non-confrontational mindset, allowing us to maintain our peace and productivity without escalating into conflict. By practicing Wu Wei, we can transform how we handle toxicity, turning potential stressors into opportunities for growth and peace. Here are 7 ways to apply Wu Wei to handle toxic workplace behaviors effectively. Number 1, respond, don't react. Respond to toxic behavior only when it feels natural and necessary, rather than forcing confrontations, okay? Sometimes taking action at the right moment when it feels least forced can have the most impact. Emulate the flowing nature of water by choosing to respond thoughtfully rather than reacting out of anger or frustration. By the way, when you are angry, frustrated, your amygdala has been hijacked, you're in that fight, flight, or freeze state, your prefrontal cortex is shut off, meaning you're not going to be able to make the best decisions anyway. So Wu Wei is the way to go, taking a step back when you find yourself in that place. A thoughtful response, anyway, can de-escalate conflicts and demonstrate your maturity and professionalism. So keep that in mind. Number 2, stay centered. Maintain your inner calm and avoid reacting impulsively. By staying centered, you respond from a place of clarity and peace, which can prevent the situation from escalating. Number 3, observe without engaging. Like water flowing around a rock, observe toxic behaviors without getting emotionally involved. You might even make a comedy out of it in your mind, of course. This detachment allows you to see the situation more objectively and decide the best course of action without all of that emotional bias, the stuff you get from your amygdala being hijacked. Number 4, let go of control. Release. Recognize what you can and cannot control. As I said earlier, you cannot change a person's behavior or nature, but you can control your reaction to them. Letting go of the desire to change or control toxic individuals can reduce your personal stress and frustration. By the way, this works in families as well. Number 5, focus on your own actions. Concentrate on what you can control, which is your actions and responses. By focusing on acting according to your values, your core values, and maintaining your integrity, you can avoid being drawn into unnecessary drama. For example, my core values, I said this in another video, at this season of my life: well-being, love, ease, fun, and love. So if I'm going to respond to someone and it's not in alignment with any of my core values, can't do it. Because I want to make sure I'm not splitting my energy and compromising who I am because of someone's nonsense and foolishness. All right. So focus on your own actions. Set clear boundaries. Just as water shapes its course, clearly define your boundaries. Communicate these boundaries calmly and clearly to toxic people to protect your well-being and maintain your professional integrity. Number 7, seek natural resolutions. Allow solutions to arise naturally than forcing something to happen. Sometimes giving situations some space can lead to a beautiful, unexpected outcome, as dynamics tend to shift and evolve over time. Wu Wei can become a powerful tool in helping you create a more harmonious and professional life if you allow it. It's a tool for protecting your peace. By incorporating Wu Wei into your approach for toxic people at work, you can navigate challenging behaviors with more ease, enabling you to build your confidence, expand meaningful connections, and increase healthy collaboration. How's that sound? All right. Before I go, allow me to leave you with a little chuckle. Ready? Drum roll, please. Why don't toxic people do well in chemistry? Smile the drum roll. Because they never can find a positive reaction. I know that was funny. If you found a useful tip in this video, or if I warmed the cockles of your heart, I would certainly appreciate you hitting the like button and sharing feedback in the comments below. And remember to subscribe to help bring more valuable content designed to enhance your personal and professional development. Thank you for watching and have a winning week. Bye-bye.